Aluminium has an atomic number of 13. What is the electronic configuration of the aluminium ion? If it's got an atomic number of 13, it's got 13 protons in its nucleus, aluminium has. So the atomic number is sometimes called the proton number. So you'll see it written on the periodic table like this, Al, with a 13 at the bottom. Now, in atoms of elements, they are neutrally charged. So if it's got 13 protons, it's got 13 positive charges, which means because it's neutrally charged, it's got 13 positive charges, it must have 13 negative charges if it's an atom of an element. So it would have 13 electrons if it were the atom of the element. Now this isn't an atom of the element, this is an aluminium ion. An ion is a charged atom. Now why do atoms form ions? They form ions to get a full outer shell of electrons. So if there were 13 electrons on this element, it would have 2 on the first shell, 8 on the second, and 3 on the third. 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 3 is 13. But this is not an element. So the outer shell has to be full. So it's got it's got 2 choices, hasn't it? It can either gain 5 to make it 8 or lose 3. Well, it's going to do whichever is less. In this case, it's going to lose 3, so we can cross that 3 off the end. So the electronic configuration of this aluminium ion would be 2.8. All these questions and more on elshamhighchemistry.com.